Have you ever run out of ideas of what to prepare for lunch or even dinner, and time is also not on your side? Well, grab this simple and delicious quick fix egg curry recipe and sort yourself the best thing. Most of the ingredient lies just there in your kitchen. So without further ado, let's get started. Here I have my ingredients. I have onions, tomato, chili pepper, that is optional. I have garlic, dhania or coriander. I have some spices here: paprika, tumeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and I have tomato paste, all seasoning flavor, salt, and cumin powder. I have yogurt here. You can use mala. I have some eggs, of course. We are doing egg curry. Just transfer your clean eggs into your sufuria. Fill the sufuria with some water. Make sure the water covers the eggs. Then add some salt. This salt will help when peeling the shells. Boil your eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prep my green ingredients here as I wait for my eggs to boil. I'm going to blend some tomatoes and chilies. If you don't like it hot, you can omit the chili part. I'll go ahead and chop my onions, finely chop them. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new in this channel, kindly consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. And for my returning subscribers or my audience, welcome back. And I would like to know in the comment section below, kindly let me know the recipe you would want me to share with you. And again, I would like to know the video duration you're comfortable with. I've realized most of you don't watch the video up to the end. Most of you stopped at 2 to 3 minutes. And that worries me a lot because it seems I cannot retain you. It's so awkward. Editing a video, a cooking video of 2 hours, you edit for 10 minutes, and again, you still find it's not being watched. Kindly leave me a comment in the comment section down below. My eggs are ready. I will just remove them and place them in a bowl of cold water so that it can cool down before handling it. My eggshells are peeling off easily. They are easy to peel because of that salt I added on the boiling water. Look at it. It's coming out so clean. This is the one recipe that each and everyone I know does it our own style, but still comes out nicely, but not as mine. I'm telling you, try this recipe of mine. So easy, and as you can see, I'm just using minimal spices. I'm pretty sure you will like it, and if you try it, don't forget to bring back your feedback. I hope you've liked this video up to this end. Keep on watching each and every step. Now here I've added my oil and it's ready. I'm just going to fry my onions. Stir the onions. Once it has sweat, add in your garlic and give it a good mix. I'm going in with all my spices except all seasoning flavor. That one I will add later. Give it a good stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes before adding your tomato, blended tomato. Give it a good mix. Let it cook kidogo. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me a thumbs up, darling. Now I'm adding my tomato paste. I love tomato paste because it helps thickening the sauce. And now all seasoning flavor. Stir it in, make sure it's well combined. Then add some water, just a little. We are looking for a thick sauce here, so you just eyeball it just little by little as you stir in. We leave it to simmer for a minute, then add in your curd. If you have mala, it is well and good, or even any cream of your choice, or even yogurt. Stir it to mix well. Meanwhile, I'm going to slice my eggs. As I wait for my sauce to thicken, I like to divide them into two parts so that when cooking, it will suck the flavors directly. You know, the outer part, the white part, tend to be slippery, so it cannot enable the flavors to go in directly. My sauce is ready. As you can see, it has thickened so well and it looks lovely. And the aroma here, it's heavenly, I tell you. So place your eggs facing up so that the yolk cannot drop in the sauce the way I'm doing. Then you will just use your spatula and do what you see here. Just pour some liquid, some sauce on top of the yolk. As you scrape the sauce that is thickened under the saucepan, don't flip them, just leave them like that. Drop some chili, me I love it hot, and cover it and let it simmer for 3 minutes. My egg curry is ready. It's perfectly done. I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander, and at this point make sure your heat is off. Look at it, so lovely. So lovely, guys. Thank you for watching this video up to this end. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I hope at this point you've liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next. I'm going to serve mine with some rice. It's best served with rice. Look at it. Wow. Are you seeing that gravy? A touch of coriander again. Bye bye.